Hello everyone, welcome to Paul's Tech Room. So in this video, we are going to see how to make a stream graph using Canva in the sheet feature. So for this, open your Canva app, then go to the sheets option. After clicking on the sheets option, a blank workbook will appear on your app. Just click on any cell. After clicking on any cell, click on the actions option in the bottom left hand corner of the app. Click on magic charts, drag it a bit up, click on chart library, then under the area charts, click on stream graph. After clicking on the stream graph, a stream graph will appear on your workbook. So first we will discuss the data tab and then we will discuss the customize tab of the chart. So under the data tab, you can see a table is displayed, which is by default given in Canva. So in the data tab in this Excel or in this table, you have to enter your data. So for example, in this table, first column is year, then health, then productivity, then games, then education. Okay. So in the year 2014, health value is 2, productivity 2, games 5, education 6. Likewise, in 2015, health value is 3, productivity 4, games 8, education 7. And likewise, in the year 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, and so on. Okay, scroll a bit down, then you can see import data option. If you have already created data in Microsoft Excel or any other workbook, you can import that data or import that table directly into this table. For this, you have to click on the import data. Then in the right hand side, you can see two arrows are there. One is the vertical and other is the horizontal. So this is actually called the transpose option. By using this option, you can convert your columnar data, the data which you have entered in column wise, it will get converted to row, and the row data will get converted into column. Basically it will shift. Then next is the delete option. If you click on the delete option, all the data will from this table will be erased. After clicking on the delete option, you can enter your own data also here. Then comes the chart setup. First we will see the labels, what to show. So basically labels is nothing data which is or the values which are given in the x-axis. For example, in this chart, the x-axis values are year. So it is given here. You can click on it and you can select any of the options: health, productivity, games, education. Okay, but in this data we want to show year wise the health, productivity, games, and education. So we will give year as the x-axis and the other health, productivity, games, and education as the y-axis values. Okay, we will select year. Okay, next comes lines, what values to show. Okay, so lines are basically the y-axis values or the values which the stream graph will show year wise. Okay, so in this, health to education is selected, health, productivity, games, education. We want to see these values year wise. Then comes aggregate data. Here it is selected by default none. Sum of the data, you can do average of the data, you can count the number of data, you can do maximum, minimum, and median calculations. Means basic statistical calculations you can perform here also. So this is all about the data tab. Now we will see the customize tab. In the customize tab or under the customize tab, first you will see text option, the legend. It is by default kept it on. Okay, if you turn it off, the legend is gone. Means legend means the colors which you are seeing in this graph, what color indicates what values. Okay, see, if I on it, then see, blue is health, productivity is purple, games is orange, and yellow is education. If I turn it off, it will go. So anybody who will see the graph, he or she will not understand what color indicates what. So you have to keep it on. Then comes title. You have to add, you can skip also this, but it's better to add a title to your stream graph chart or any other chart you are preparing. So I will add a title here, stream graph. You can also add a subtitle also. See, stream graph is appeared on the top of your chart. You can add a subtitle also. You can add a source text. For example, if I take this data from somewhere else, I can add a source text. Data is taken from this or that. Okay. You can add any external document or link also as source of this data or source of your data. Next comes the x-axis. So under the x-axis again comes the labels. You have to keep it on. X-axis title you can give. Next comes the y-axis. Y-axis title also you can give. Then comes the settings, tool tips. These are really nothing. Filters. You can add filter to your data. Okay. If I add filter, if I click on filter, first I have to select data. Data I will select. Filter wise I will select column headers. Column headers basically are the health, productivity, games, and educational data. Okay, I will select all those. Then what style or buttons? Buttons I will give buttons. Okay, interactive color I will keep it. You can change also. I will keep it red. Then allow multiple selections. I will keep it on. See, after clicking on the filter option, a filter is displayed on your stream graph chart, above the stream graph chart. Okay, see, now only the health value is displayed. Okay, if I click on productivity, health and productivity are displayed. As you can see, the purple and the blue. Okay, if I want to show only the health or only the productivity, now both are displayed. Okay, if I want to show only the health, I will click on the productivity. Again, productivity is gone, only the health data is displayed. If I want to show only the productivity, I will click on productivity and click on health. Health data is gone, only the productivity data is displayed. Then games, the education, likewise you can select all, or you can display only one, or 1 to 4, likewise. Okay, so this is all about the customize tab. Now I will show you basic color change options. First is the white color, the color of the background of the stream graph chart, keep it white. You can also change it, but white is better. Then comes the color of the health, blue color. You can change it by clicking it. By clicking it, you can change it. Okay, then comes purple, which is the color of the games. Then comes yellow, which is the color of the education. Then comes padding. Padding is basically the size of the chart occupied by the chart, size occupied by the chart. Okay, if I slide it towards the right, the size of the chart increases. Then comes font. All these I have the font, text styles, font size, color, format, transparency, position. You can change the position of the chart, like you can take it backward or move it forward. Okay, so all these I have explained in my first charts video. You can refer to that video. I have explained all these in detail there, so please go and watch it from there. Then more option, three dots. You can copy the data, you can copy the style of the chart, you can paste the chart, copy and paste. Okay, you can duplicate the chart, you can delete the entire chart, create component and select multiple. These options I will discuss in my other video. I am skipping it here. Then comes comment. You can add a comment to your chart. You can lock the chart so that it does not gets moved from its position. You can lock only the position and appearance of the chart. You can link any external website or any source text in this chart. You can add an alternative text also. If you want, I can discuss all these in details in another video. Just comment in my video that you want to see all these options in detail. Then comes download selection and translate text. You can translate the text of the chart. Now I will show you how to download this chart as a JPG or PDF, or with only the Streamgraph chart and both the Streamgraph and the entire workbook. Okay, for this you can see a up arrow in the top right of your mobile screen. Just click on it, then click on download. See, there are many options. If you choose JPG, only the Streamgraph will be downloaded as JPG, PNG, PDF standard. If you choose CSV or Excel SX, it means the whole workbook will be downloaded as an Excel file. You can open it anywhere. In Microsoft Excel also you can open it. So I want to download only the chart, so I will choose JPG. You can choose the size of the chart, like the pixels. If you increase the size of the chart, the quality or pixel of the chart will become good. Increase the quality to 100, then click on download. You have to wait for 1 minute or so, based on your, or depending on your internet speed. You can see it is showing saved to gallery. So now you can access this chart as a image file from your gallery. Thank you for watching the video. See you all until next time. Take care and goodbye.